Hi guys, কি খবর? I hope you were doing absolutely amazing. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Samyukta, and now that you are here, subscribe button वहीं वहीं होगा. Why not spread some happiness? Anyways, okay. यहाँ इतनी गर्मी हो रही है, इतनी गर्मी हो रही है, मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती because it's so humid here. And ना एवरी वीडियो में मैं ऐसा सोचती हूँ कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो में तो बिल्कुल तैयार होके आऊँगी एंड एवरी नेक्स्ट वीडियो गोइंग मोर टूवर्ड्स लुकिंग लाइक दिस. एनीवेज, आज के वीडियो के लिए आई आस्क्ड यू गाइज ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम यस्टरडे कि टेल मी आपके क्या एजम्पशंस है एंड आई विल क्लियर दोस एजम्पशंस फॉर यू. एंड ओ माई गॉड, आप लोगों ने कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी. बाय गॉड. So let's get into it. I have my coffee ready and I have my mom's phone, wearing chashma because can't really rely on my eyes. Anyways, okay, let's get into the video. First, yeah, I got this question a lot कि you are filthy rich and is here on the question. I don't know why you guys think that though. First of all, मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं हूँ, ठीक है, बट आई डू कम फ्रॉम अ वेल ऑफ फैमिली, बाय विच आई मीन कि मेरे पेरेंट्स ने इतना प्लान सेव करा है कि हम दोनों को दे आर एबल टू गिव अस ऑल द अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एंड दैट वी नीड, विच आई एम एवर ग्रेटफुल फॉर. एंड या, बट मैं तो यूजलेस हूँ क्यों में. एंड मोस्ट आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस में से नेक्स्ट है कि यू कैन नॉट बी सिंगल एंड यू वर डेटिंग समवन इस रेंज का. तो ऐसा लग रहा है आपको बस मेरे जले हुए आग पे घी डालने का मन है. बाय गॉड, आई एम सिंगल. इफ यू गूगल द मीनिंग ऑफ सिंगल, probably Google would throw my name on your face. But yeah, I also saw a few of these questions. You are not questions, assumptions I mean, कि you are secretly in love with someone. सच बताऊँ तो yes, I am. But you know what the thing is? Neither does he know, nor will you ever. So, JK, I'm kidding. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. I'm not in love with anyone. Or am I? I don't know why I'm doing so much drama. But okay. Anyways, related to this dating wala scene, he say you never dated an SMS guy, which is true, but trust me, this it was not never conscious. ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ कि ओह आप SMS हो, I'm not dating SMS guys. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है कभी भी. But yeah, actually I have not ever dated an SMS guy. Next one is you are a crybaby. Which I am. I cry when I'm happy, I cry when I'm sad, angry, I cry while watching movies, almost all of them. मैं तो भूतनाथ देख के भी रोई हूँ, तो I know I'm pathetic. उसके बाद है कि you hide a lot of stress, anxiety you might be going through in your videos. This is partly right and partly wrong. I'll tell you why. I have anxiety issues and I have talked about it in my videos a lot. I get very anxious and I have all that issues. But when I'm anxious, I'm not in a condition कि I can shoot. Condition is in मेरा ऐसा कभी मन ही नहीं होता कि मैं shoot करूँ, be it for Instagram or YouTube. तो I do not hide it. I mean, I just never shoot it if I'm anxious or not feeling good. So yeah. उसके बाद है you love Bikaji Bhujia. Yes, I love Bikaji Bhujia. I eat it with everything you can ever imagine. And I don't know how you even assume that. But yeah, that is right. Attitude होगा. Attitude तो I don't think है. मतलब मेरे को पता ही नहीं कि मेरे को किस बात का attitude भी होना चाहिए तो. You would relive VIT have gotten an opportunity. Okay, I loved my college days. I would definitely go back to meet all my friends, to stay in hostel. आज मैं वहाँ से बात कर रही थी, you know how amazing living in hostel is, and to be around friends who were just like one hand distance away from you. So yes, I will definitely go back, but I don't think I will live 4 years again. That would be too much. Next is, you were popular in college. No, I was not popular in college. ऐसा नहीं है. I just knew a lot of people and I had a lot of friends. I have a lot of friends and I knew their friends of friends. So yeah, I just knew a lot of people and a lot of people knew me. So that is not being popular. Popular मतलब तो जब आप ऐसे जगह जाते हो and you know just people like all that didn't happen. You don't like to be called an asshole. What? No. I love being an asshole would be such an understatement. You are completely wrong, bro. Is the correct statement. Oh, you torture your brother. I do not. I used to, but now he has become a huge giant for me. So I don't do anything to him anymore. I'm scared. You do all this just for attention. I mean, I love the attention, obviously, but I don't think I do it just for the attention though. I started it because I love being in front of the camera, and I think that is it. You wish to be taller than your brother. Not taller than him, that would be too tall. I don't want to be that tall, but a little taller than my height would have been better, but क्या कर सकते हैं. You spend a lot. This is not right actually. I'm the most conjuice member of my family. So yes. Someone said पढ़ा को लड़की. Okay, this is complicated. I was quite a studious kid when I was in school, and college was तो बिल्कुल हवा में, and then masters में again I studied, but all were for different reasons. School I studied because I don't know why. College I didn't study because I didn't understand a single shit of it, and masters I studied again because I loved every bit of it. So negative comments don't get to you. This is not right. I mean, ऐसा होता है most of the times I either ignore it or मैं देखती नहीं हूँ. I mean, I don't even spend a split second on it. But कभी अगर देख लेती हूँ और you know I'm in that mood of self-depreciating, then I'm just like, मैंने तुम्हारा क्या बिगाड़ा? तुम मेरे को ऐसा क्यों बोल सकती? You should ask my friends. I call them and I'm just like, why is he saying that? मैंने क्या, कौन है ये, क्यों कर रहा है वो मेरे साथ ऐसा? मैंने कुछ करा है क्या? तो yeah, I think that segment is not true. You want to settle abroad. देखो फिलहाल तो कुछ भी नहीं पता, but settle, I don't think I want to settle abroad because I don't want to leave my parents ever, and I know for a fact that मेरे parents कभी नहीं बाहर जाएंगे रहने के लिए, you know, for good. So I think I'll be good here. You have daddy issues. What? You guys crack me up, by God. Family gal. Family gal. Yes, you can call me a family gal. I don't know why I did that, I'm so sorry. But yeah, you can actually call me best of both worlds, please. But yeah, I'm a family girl too. I love my family and I'm being with my family. That you wouldn't be this serious about your life and career and dreams. Actually, I was not. I think in past 2 years my life has changed a little bit, and I think एक दिन ऐसे ही मैंने रियलाइज़ करा कि यू नो लाइफ इज़ टू लॉन्ग फॉर मी टू जस्ट सिट एंड चिल, तो कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. एंड आई थिंक उसके बाद से आई हैव टेकन इट सीरियसली. एक्सप्लोरर, yes, you can call me an explorer, I guess, but now I do some mindful exploring. पहले ऐसा था, पहले मैं ऐसे थी कि यू नो अच्छा हो बुरा हो, आई तो वॉन्ट टू डू दैट, मेरे को तो बस एक बार करके देखना, यू नो दैट नोशन आई हैड इन माई हेड. बट अभी आई एम जस्ट लाइक वाई ब्रो, चिल द फक आउट. दैट्स ऑल. लेट मी रिमूव माय. Okay, yes guys, that's all for all the assumptions that you guys had which I felt like answering, and I hope आपको मेरे बारे में थोड़ा सा और पता चल गया होगा. And yeah, that's about it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. That would mean the world to me. I say thank you. I'll leave my social handles below. You can follow me there if you want to, obviously. And yeah, take care. Don't forget to smile, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.